Welcome DP Electric, I'm Ryan Petrocelli. Today I'll be going over the different hand tools, power tools, and the bender that you'll need when you're breaking out into the trade or starting out as an electrician. After watching this video, you'll be able to properly select tools as an AP1 breaking out into the trade. The things that you'll need is going to be hand tools, power tools, and a bender. Hand tools, electrician's tape measure. That's number one. Without this, no work gets done, and you can't properly and accurately measure those different measurements that you're going to need on the job site. Number two electrician's levels. That means that they have 30-degree bubble or level on them, and they're able to be placed on the conduit to read that 30-degree angle. Pencil, no pen, no Sharpie. Make sure that you're doing things with craftsmanship. It is an article in the code book that you do things with workmanship, and we just want to make sure that that is occurring. Pencil wipes off, Sharpie and pen do not. Channel locks, 2 pairs. This is going to be helpful for tightening compression couplings or even a rigid GRC on a piece of rigid and making sure that you hold the pipe while you tighten that coupling. So 2 pairs of channel locks. Next, you'll need lineman's pliers with crimpers on the back side. This is just an added feature that you can be more useful in doing ferrules. Wire strippers, number 18 to number 10. That's going to be the most crucial and utilized gauges of wire in the industry. Diagonal cutters used to trim wire and also plastic. Solid state screwdriver set using the Robertson Phillips slotted and Torx, and making sure that they have a solid handle that's fastened to the shank instead of the 11-1s. 3/4 EMT bender and 1/2-inch RMC. So this will be utilized most frequently. We don't run any 1/2-inch unless it's spec'd out on the job site. Power tools, you're gonna need a tick tracer, non-contact voltage tester, drill, brushless motor, ensuring that you have the brushless motor because you're gonna receive different speeds and different torques. Impact driver, it can be brushed or brushless. It doesn't make a difference, just making sure that you have that impact driver is gonna be key. Hacksaw, one-handed use on the hacksaw instead of the Sawzall, which is gonna be two-handed. Headlamp, you're gonna have a rechargeable instead of the AA or the AAA battery ones that come at Home Depot or at Lowe's. You're gonna get a rechargeable. Tool bag with compartments on the inside. It could be a backpack or it could be a big bag that you have compartments for those tools, but just ensuring that you can stay organized. Key takeaways, stick with the same brand of hand tools, making sure that you have all the hand tools for Klein or all the hand tools for Milwaukee. And then the same thing goes with power tools and bender. Just keep it consistent and keep it the same. And there you have it, the hand tools, power tools, and bender that you'll need to get started in the trade. For more content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next video.